Good morning, everyone. My name is Pathairuk. You can call me Mook. I am 11 years old. I study in NP5 at Anubansongkhla School.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Chutikarn. Duagkhot. You can call me Gobua. I am 11 years old. I'm studying in MPP5 at Anubansongkhla School. Today, I will talking about environmental problems.
And my name is Melo Usseni. You can call me Teacher M. I am 34 years old and I'm from Cameroon. I'm also teaching at MAP5. Okay, before we go into our main topic, I would like our audience to know the meaning of environment. What is environment?
The environment can be defined as a sum total of all the living things and non-living things elements and their effect which influence human life.
And what are some of the living things found in the environment?
Examples of living things are human being, animal, plants, bacteria, fungi.
And could you please give us some of the example of non-living things found in our environment?
Example of non-living thing is sunlight, air, water, soil, and materials.
Thank you very much. What is the importance of environment to us human beings?
The importance of the environment is we live in the environment. Environment provides us with all our needs.
Thank you very much. You heard the definition of environment and the importance of environment to us. Now we move to a topic which is environmental problems. There are so many problems in the environment, and today we selected just some few important ones to let you guys know. Our first problem is about climate change. Could you please tell our audience the meaning of climate change?
Climate change includes both the global warming driven by human emission of greenhouse gases and the resulting large-scale shift in weather pattern.
Thank you very much. And the second problem is about pollution. What is pollution and how many types of pollutions are there?
Pollution is one of the primary causes of many of the other environmental problems. There are three types of pollution. There are air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Water pollution is a harm substances, often chemical or microorganism, contaminate a stream, river, lakes, ocean, or other body of water, degrading water quality and rendering it toxic into the environment. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air, car emission, and chemicals from factories. Land pollution is the decomposition of solid or liquid waste material on land or underground in a manner that can contaminate the soil and underground.
Thank you. What are the kind of pollution we experience in Anubansongkhla school?
Air pollution and land pollution.
Could you explain the meaning of air pollution and land pollution in Anubansongkhla school?
Air pollution is from the people that take out carbon dioxide and from cooking. Land pollution is from people that they throw trash not into the bin.
Thank you. And our next problem is overpopulation. Could you explain that?
The Earth's population is increasing. The increasing population has led to a shortage of resources. If this continues, it will be very difficult to sustain the population. The other environmental issues, including pollution, deforestation, climate change, and global warming, are all associated with overpopulation.
Thank you. You all heard. Overpopulation happens to be one of the main causes of environmental problem because it's human beings that are bringing out all this deforestation, pollution, and all whatnot. And our next problem is about water problem. Please, could you explain that?
Water pollution is a huge concern for us and our environment. It's killing both humans and marine life with oil spill and abundance of plastic waste. We're damaging the most valuable resource our planet has to offer, and some parts of the world don't have clean water to drink.
Thank you. Water is one of the most valuable resources a planet could offer us. Thank you. And our last problem is about deforestation. Before you go into explaining the meaning of deforestation and the problem it gives us, what is deforestation
Deforestation is cutting down of trees.
and what are the problems?
We need plants and trees to survive. They provide oxygen, food, and water. But if deforestation continues at the rate it's occurring, we won't have much of valuable forestry left.
Thank you very much. You talked of emission. What is emission?
Emission is when you release toxic material or gas into the atmosphere.
Okay, that's awesome. Now, I want our audience to also listen to some of the solution. Our next speaker will give us a solution to this environmental problem. Good boy, you have the floor.
Solution to climate change is improving food economy, making building more efficient, and improving power plant efficiently bring down emission cheaply and quickly. Pollution, water pollution solutions is do not dispose garbage, wastewater, or waste into water source and public drain. Reduce water consumption in daily routine and recycle used water such as used water from clothes washing or dishwashing to water plant. Land pollution solutions is reduce toxic material and recycle waste material. Air pollution solutions is ride a bike or walking instead of driving. Turn off lights when they are not in use. Overpopulation solutions is promote family planning or one family for one child. Water problem solutions is recycle wastewater and rainwater harvesting. Deforestation solutions is we need to plant trees and banning clear cutting of forests.
Thank you very much. And I heard you make mention of one of the water problem solution is water harvesting. Could you explain that to our viewers?
Yes, water harvesting is when we use some container to grab some water from the rain and use in our house.
Thank you very much. And what is the importance of trees?
The tree provides oxygen and it takes in carbon dioxide.
Thank you. You all heard some of the problems and some possible solutions. Now, please, could you ask any question to Gabor?
Mook, if we save environment, what will happen?
We will have a clean environment and our lives will be healthier. Gabua, I have a question for you too. If we have climate change on the earth, what will happen with the environment?
The temperature of the earth will rise.
Now, I have a question for you guys. What are you doing in your own small way to save your own environment? Let's start with you, Mo.
I'm going to plant trees.
Okay, and you?
I will recycle waste material.
Okay, as for me, I will do much more of walking than driving. I'll also plant trees, just like you want to do. Okay, thank you very much. You all heard some of the problems and possible solution, and you now know how important the environment is to all of us. Please try as much as possible to save your own environment in your own little way. What do you have to tell our audience?
Saving the environment starts with you and me. To our viewers, what are you going to do to save the environment?
Next, please what vocabulary?